Hi, this is Gajan. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss topic about uh, important of English. English is international language. English is spoken by all over the world. I mean, when we go some country, we have to speak different language. I mean, different accent. At that time, we are not getting in English, but if you will be good command in English, you can get this sentence formation. You can get this language, and I mean, if you will be good command in English, you will get demand in the world. I mean, you just see some MNC company and many IT company. When you go to their interview, you have to crack interview on English, and they take 3 or 4 rounds. Then you have to speak English in all interview. At that time, there is need of English, and you just see some call center. There is two process available there: inbound call and outbound call. Then you have to take many call, and like some like domestic call center and like international call center. Domestic call center, we have to speak two language: Hindi, Marathi, or English. But international call center, you only have to speak English language. You have to attend and make many call. At that time, you need good command in English. You have to speak many client. Then you get to know about his language. You must solo that person of the like mistake. There really need of the truly English. I mean to say that if you will be good at an English, you can work call center. Like you just see some aviation. There is also need of English. I I mean like airport. There is hired by so many like English people too, and there is also available in call center, and we have to speak there in English, fluent English. That's why there is also need of English. And I would like to tell our India is like lack of education. That's why, and like our India is lack of English. All people and the some of the student is not getting in English. When when someone speak English, they are just attention him. I mean, what uh, what that thing is going on. I mean to say that if you will be good command in English, you will have to use like some 4 step: listening, speaking, writing, and reading. When you listen, you get new word vocabulary. When you read, you can implement your sentence formation, and you get to know adverb, phrase, and idioms. At that time, you must use that step. Unlike writing, when you write, you can implement your mistake of the spell. There is need of use that thing. And when you speak, you can implement your hesitation and your afraid to speak. That is really basic and most important step to improvement in your English. I mean, if you will be good command in English, likelihood you get like chance to go abroad in work. Like there are many out of state, out of country, like except India, like USA, America, China, Japan, Canada, British. There is hired by many people to work in some IT sector and other sector. I mean, if you will be done like hotel management course, and you will be good demand. If you will be get good English, you can go abroad. You can earn so many money. You have lot of demand there, and you can go abroad to work. I mean, English is base of all student life. I mean, you just observe. You go Pune and Mumbai, and if you wish to work some MNC company, you have to speak English. You don't have any another option. No one can help us to work there. And I mean, if you will be good demand, if you will be get very well English, you get work like some five-star hotel and some waiter in five-star hotel. There you get uh, more payment, and that job is really important. And I mean to say that, like, you just see like our airport, that like some airport and plane, there is need like good English speaker, and many student there will be get job. And like you just see like so many officer and some like higher post people, they have to speak English. You just observe. You go anywhere like some police office, some post, and some college, school, and anywhere, some hospital, you just speak English, so many people attention him. I mean, that is not big deal, because that our India, we are mother tongue in Marathi. That's why no one is not getting English. But when you do some hard work, when you dedicate that skill, it is not big deal for us all, guys. I mean, English, without English we can't get ahead in life. This is my thinking about the education. That's why you can read so many books. There are many English study material available in notes. Like you just see like some PDF book. There are huge PDF book available in notes. It is free. You no need to pay their money. I mean, you will have to read so many novel, some book, some story. Then you can like observe that sentence formation. You just write some new word, and you find that word in Google or any dictionary. It's really good for us. And there are many apps available in the net. You just download that apps. It is free. You get so many like friend to speak in English, and it is good for us to learn free English. I will suggest to all, if you want to go learn English, just make like in your some English speaking group, and just daily speak with your friend. You can become a, uh, uh, I mean to say that you can achieve that's in your English command. No one can do uh, uh, this is not word. I mean to say that, like, each and every people can learn English, and they just focus that's word sentence formation. And I mean, daily do English speaking practice, writing, listening, reading, speaking. I mean, like uh, daily speak, daily do. That is really important. And just don't upload of people what people are saying. If you will be do daily practice, you can achieve that thing. And English is English is like word language. English is need of all country, all city, all people. If you will be good at in English, you can teach like some child and some uh, uh, so many students. That's really good for us. But daily practice is really good key to become fluent in English. I will suggest to all, read as much as book, talk as much as to English. It's really helpful to become a fluent in English. And uh, don't worry and don't focus of the like I'm speaking wrong, I'm speaking this is not good for us. This is not don't think this is not cup of tea. You can do, and you just daily practice English, then you can achieve. And English is really need of the all generation hour. We must teach some student and many people, and they can achieve as soon as. Last, I would like to say thank all guys. I am hoping thanks all guys to listening my video. Okay.